Hi guys, my name is Paul. I teach people how to make money online. And if you want to start making money online, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, like this video to get notified. Hit the notification bell essentially to get notified when I make more videos on how you can make money online. You know, young guys these days want to start making money online, but they ask, where do I start? How do I make money online? People want to make money online, but they don't know where to start. They don't know how to. Many people make the same mistake of joining the wrong people, the wrong platforms, the wrong sites. But now I'll show you how you can legally make money online just playing a game. This is just a little thing, a little token I'm giving you for my subscriber. This is just a token of new month I'm giving to you. So once more, as said earlier, if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get notified when I make every single videos like this, and like this video if you, because I'm sure you like this video. So this life now, what you have to understand is that there's no easy way to get money. Many a times we look for a way or form we can make money online, which is so easy for us that we get it in a platter of gold. My brother, there's not actually an easy way to make money online. If you want to make huge money, you have to invest. But this app will pay you money, not for your upkeeping, especially for guys who wants to buy a lot of things for their girlfriends and their family and their mother and their father, especially for Nigerians, it will eat much according to us pertaining to our currencies. So this game now pays you for playing it. And I know it sounds crazy, but it's true, bro. It's too good to be true, but it's true. Believe you me, it's true. This game pays you for playing it. And let's cut this short and start right away.
The name of this game is called Cutie Garden. This is how it looks like from the outside. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like from the inside. So I'm gonna click this and I'll show you a little bit about the game. I'll show you the amount I've acquired. And I'll show you the the minimum amount to draw and many more things about this game you don't know. So once you are when it's loading, this is how it looks like when it's loading. So this is how the game looks like from the inside. So when you open the game, you start matching the animals and you get paid. When you get paid, as you can see, if you look left at the top of this game at the left side, you see the amount I've acquired, $230. So if you click here, you will see the withdraw minimum amount, which is either you withdraw from 300 or 400. It must be between 300 and 400 upwards. You cannot withdraw less than that. So when you want to withdraw, you withdraw through PayPal. You click on PayPal. When you click withdraw to PayPal, a section where you fill your PayPal information will pop up, where you withdraw directly to your PayPal, then you cash it out. So that's just as simple as that. I have to display game, acquire cash, and turn it into real cash. So that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching this video. I love you once more. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit notification bell to get notified whenever I make more videos, and like this video. Please guys, like this video. Thank you so much. I love you. Peace out.